guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be doing some more Among Us glitches, but before we get that started, you guys need to hit that like button and subscribe. Get me to, I don't know, 10 likes in 5 days. Can we do it? Probably not, but it's worth the shot. But let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so we're on Among Us right now. And yeah, we're gonna be doing this first glitch, which is probably gonna be a shorter video, but a lot of time and effort is going to be put into this video. So for the first glitch, we're gonna need the second one. You guys are gonna flip your lids, and you're gonna want to do it so bad, but maybe you want to make a video on it. I don't know. But first of all, the first glitch is you need to click that. Oh, dang it, I failed already. So basically what you want to do is right when you enter the map you want to choose, so we're going to be choosing custom backgrounds for this that were definitely not intended to be in the game, but yeah. So you're used to this like space background, right? Well, we're going to do an airship background. Yeah. I failed again. Okay. We're gonna do this a few more tries, okay? Alright, that should have worked. There we go. And yeah, this is the background. It's very weird. And I don't know, let's try a few more of them. First of all, let's try Polis. Okay. That should have been quick enough. Alright, so Polis looks like this. Very cool looking, like the blue atmosphere stuff. Yeah, stuff, what the heck. But yeah. Okay, let's do Mirror HQ. Okay. See what this one looks like. Probably the starter thing. Yep. Looks like a tennis racket. Just kidding. It looks like a... I don't even know. That wasn't quick enough, guys. Okay. Yeah. Alright, that should have been quick enough. And there you go. There's the scaled one. So if you guys want to try this out on your own, feel free to do it. And yeah, I just saw this on a different YouTube channel, so I'm like, okay, or guess I'll make a video on this. So this is another episode of the Among Us Glitches series. So yeah, let's show off the next one. So this next one, we're gonna need to join a game for this one. So this one lets you mix maps. Yeah, you heard me right. You can mix maps. So we're gonna mix Polis and the airship. Sure. Two biggest, you know what? Wait. What? What? What the heck? Bruh. Come on! Bruh, so basically we just gotta join a random game. I don't even care what color I am, or if anyone stole my color. Come on, let me join. Okay, so we're finally in. Cyan? I can rock some cyan, so if we just put start and chat. So basically, right when the game starts, you got to leave. So, yeah. Alright, so there we go. We left. Yeah, feel kind of sad for those people. Okay, but anyways, now we got to go onto free play mode and join the airship. And now we wait. And stuff gets a little crazy here. So if we be imposter, ghosts would be a lot better here. There we go. Wait, dang it! Anyways, goodbye, Orange. Bye-bye. Anyways, we don't need a ghost, it's just easier. But yeah, why is it so laggy? I'm sorry, but why? So what's Brig? Oh, that just put us farther. Whatever. So didn't put us anywhere. Okay. So if we go over here and down into security, oh god. Oh god. I was gonna say, why can't I kill him? Okay. It should have mixed the maps. Wait a dang minute. What? Alright. Well, let's join an online game of Polus. So I think we're gonna mix Polus and, the airship. Oh, yay, it can be my favorite color, blue. Yay. Alright, I'll just, pause the video until they start. Alright, so they finally decided to start. Alright, so now we gotta leave. Hopefully that was quick enough. We even got the custom background too. Alright, so now we're gonna join airship. This should work. I mean, it worked last time I tried this just on my own, so it should work. Fingers crossed it works. Our thing is a lot smoother than last time. I can tell you that. Alright, so let's check in security, because I remember last time I was in this, security was messed up. Unless I'm talking about Med Bay. Oh, yeah, it's probably Med Bay. Ah, dang it, now I have to go all the way around. I hate this electrical, dude. It's so annoying. Oh my god, just let me go. So, what? Alright. I'll give this one more try, and if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. I mean, it did work. Don't know why it's not working right now, like, hello? But, okay. Just said start in chat, so they should start, unless they're dumb. Come on, just start, dude. No, they're all leaving. Come on, you idiots. Urgh. Finally, it's been millions of years later. Dang it, that wasn't Alright. The hell? Come on. That was just... Bruh. What the hell? Just start. I hate you people. You guys suck. Come on. I wish I could type so bad. I would say stop, you idiots. Oh my. Alright. Joining a different game. This game is driving me insane, dude. Pumbaa. Alright. Oh yeah, this is the game I like to see. Although I would like to be my favorite color. Alright, that was good. That was good. Alright, so now let's join airship. Hopefully I'm recording. Yep. Okay. Alright, this is our last attempt on this glitch. So hopefully it works. I mean, if it doesn't work, I'll put the video link in the description, but if it does work, then there's not really any need to. So again, our internet is so bad that it's not even letting us fully play the game. It's horse crap. Wait, what? There's no way for us to get to freaking... There's no way for us to go that way? What the hell? Dude. Oh my god. Just wow. Of course, stupid brown and white hate you guys. Stupid bots. They're literal bots. What's cargo bay? Alright, so... Bruh. I'm just having the worst luck in this episode. We're switching things up a bit. We're gonna go airship. And then we're gonna do Polis and see what that does, cause yeah, I don't care. What the hell? Come on! I hate this so bad, dude. It's so annoying. Okay, start. Start. Alrighty. Among Us is driving me insane today. Maybe today just wasn't a day to play Among Us. Ugh. Bro11899. The heck does that mean? Alright, I'll be cyan. This video has caused me a lot of... What? I'm about to... Oh, dude! I'm gonna die. I'm slowly dying in the inside. Start! This is so frustrating. Please do not... Please do not join or leave. Idiots. Oh, what? I messed up again. What? No! Bruh. Okay. This is my actual last attempt. I'm not doing it again. This should work. Yes, it worked. Okay. So, as you can see, red's here, not over here. Can't kill anyone over there. But, yeah, this is very interesting. Just watch when I kill. What? Like, then there's an invisible wall here. Then I'm just soft locked there. Like, I'm actually soft locked here. I can't do nothing. Well, you guys can explore that map on your own. Definitely do not use events. Oh my god, do not use events. Or do not use that vent, at least. You can use the other ones, because I've tested them. They don't soft lock you. That one does. We'll do more exploring later and more future glitch videos, but on that note, I don't know what to do. Make sure to like, subscribe, maybe comment what other glitches you want to see on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.